Looking for Turkish series with English subtitles that you simply can't stop watching? 2025 brings an irresistible wave of heart-pounding thrillers and touching romances. Let's dive into the top 10 Turkish series you must watch this year. 1. Esref Rüya, Esref's Dream. The story of this drama is based on Esref, a fearless figure deeply tied to the criminal world. Haunted by memories of a lost love, his life takes a sharp turn when he meets Nisan, a spirited young musician. As emotions he thought were long buried rise again, Esref must decide between his violent past and the hope of a new future. Will love be enough to heal a heart hardened by the past? To witness Esref's incredible journey, don't miss this gripping drama. 2. Switchblade Selin, Sustal Selin. It revolves around Selin, once a child bride, now a powerful woman in a brutal criminal world. When Fari, the wife of the man Selin was forced to marry, returns, old wounds reopen and dangerous alliances are tested. As Selin fights for her son Yusuf and her own survival, she must make choices that will change everything. To see how far Selin goes to protect her world, be sure to watch this unforgettable series. 3. Lovers Anonymous, Ad Zaklar. In Lovers Anonymous, a very different love story unfolds. CEM, a famous author known as the Love Doctor, builds a place for those shattered by heartbreak. However, his walls begin to crack when idealistic psychologist Hazar joins him, challenging everything he believes. Their battles, their bond, and their broken hearts create a beautiful mess you can't look away from. To find out if love can heal even the healers, dive into this heartwarming series. 4. Karal Kaybeders, If the King Loses. The story of this drama revolves around Kenan Baran, a man once sitting at the top of power and influence. When betrayal strikes from those he trusted most, Kenan's world crumbles beneath him. In the ashes of his downfall, a mysterious woman rises to challenge him in ways he never imagined. Will Kenan rise again or be buried by his past? To experience this breathtaking fall from grace, don't miss this intense drama. 5. Kardlanlar, Snowdrops. Starting with a touching love story, Kardlanlar follows Hizran and Arif, a couple who sacrificed everything for their children. Betrayed and abandoned in their old age, they must cling to hope when tragedy strikes. Their youngest son Nar stands as their final light, struggling to rebuild what has been broken. To see if love and loyalty can mend a shattered family, watch this emotional masterpiece. 6. The Turk, El Turco. The story here takes you into a thrilling world of history and rebellion. After betrayal and a death sentence at the Battle of Vienna, Ottoman soldier Balban escapes to an Italian village. Becoming El Turco, he must now defend the innocent against a ruthless lord while fighting off ghosts from his own past. Will Balban succeed against impossible odds? To uncover his fight for freedom, make sure to watch this epic tale. 7. Zembili, the Mystic. It revolves around 5 friends, each chasing dreams, love, and secrets. Madho battles a famed wrestler for Esma's heart. Faden hides her secret romance. Kadir plans a wild elopement, dragging their hesitant friend Veet into chaos. Meanwhile, Tariq hunts hidden treasure and wrestles with destiny. What happens when dreams collide with reality? To find out how these tangled lives unfold, don't miss The Mystic. 8. Pyasa, Market. In this fast-paced drama, Kenan Akin dreams of ruling the world of media, but every step forward comes with a heavy price. Entangled in forbidden love with Munawwar and caught in brutal rivalries, Kenan must choose between ambition and his soul. Will he hold on to love or lose himself chasing success? To explore the cost of dreams, watch this gripping drama. 9. Baska Bir Gun, Another Day. The story begins with Nahi, a woman living what seems like a perfect life. But when her husband Sardar vanishes without a trace, her world crumbles. Left to face cruel secrets and painful betrayals, Nahi fights to protect her children and find her strength again. Can she rise stronger from the wreckage? To witness her inspiring journey, tune into this moving series. 10. Bir Zamanlar, Istanbul, Once Upon a Time in Istanbul. Ali and Seher's story starts with a dream to challenge injustice. What begins as a university debate soon pulls them into Istanbul's dangerous criminal underworld. Their love for justice and each other is tested at every turn. Can two young hearts really change the world? To see their extraordinary fight for justice, watch this thrilling drama. 2025 is filled with powerful Turkish dramas ready to sweep you off your feet. Which one will become your next obsession? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Turkish Drama Notion for more amazing recommendations. See you in the next video.